going to show you real quick on how to install our new shift knob. Now what you're going to want to do is remove your shift boot. It's going to be different but similar across all the Volkswagen generations, including removing the shift knob. This is in our 93 Volkswagen Corrado, so in this one you'd want to remove this trim here, and then you could actually take 4 screws out, and then that would go ahead and release the ring that holds the boot in place, and then you could go ahead and pull up. But what you're going to want to do for most of them is this shift knob's already taken off, so I've got other examples to show you on that part. You want to pull up, and generally there would be a security ring right here that would go ahead and keep that in place. Here is a Mark IV knob. There's that ring. You want to just go ahead and stick a small screwdriver in there and just go ahead and wiggle it a little bit, so that way it'll release the tension, and then you can go ahead and snap that ring off, and then you can remove the knob from the boot. Now Mark V's and up, they're a little bit more difficult. If you don't feel comfortable on doing this one, or don't want to injure your hand like I have in the past, the security ring is same idea. Just go ahead and break that loose. This clamp right here is fairly difficult. You just want to go ahead and release tension on one of each side first. So release the tension from those 2 teeth there, then you can go ahead and pop that side of the ring up, then release the tension from these 2, and then you can actually fully pop it off and then release the knob from the boot. Remove that. Now here is the collar. It's already going to have the set screws in place for it whenever you take it out of the box. As you can see, our shifter has been shortened up a little bit. Provided Allen wrench. Go ahead and just set that in place. I'm not going to do this very tight because I'm going to actually be making another shift boot for this car. There is the main piece. You'd want to just go ahead and stick that on there and screw. Before you do that, there we go. Just go ahead and slide that in there. Now we're also going to be including a low profile cable tie to go ahead and help clamp that in spot. I'm not going to be reusing this boot, so I'm not putting that on there. And again, this is just going to be a quick demonstration. Keep your boot in place as you tighten down on your knob. Good. Now there are 3 different coins you can get. There is going to be the standard EuroVerse coin, then there's going to be 2 that have the 5-speed gear pattern and the 6-speed gear pattern. You definitely want to go ahead and put your knob on first before you do this part. Mine's a 5-speed, so I'm going to be putting in the 5-speed coin. Just line it up straight like this, and then push down, and that's all there is to it. Now, not that you can actually feel anything, but because it's a video, but shifting is significantly smoother with this. I love it. It's shaped perfectly. I've got decent sized hands, so the grip is all there. I'll do a couple driving videos too. Again, not that you guys can feel anything, but we will still make a couple more. And there you have it.